Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I was able to line my lips and do my lips combo. Okay, so the first thing I did was to go in with my lip moisturizer. It is a lip balm made by me. I use it to moisturize my lips so that it will be easier for me to go on with the whole process. Then next I move with my eyebrow gel, that's eyebrow liner, center in. I use it to line my lips right from slightly above. I did a kind of V shape on the upper part of my lips, and then I still line the down part from the right and left to the middle. If you notice closely, I did not join the brown liner together. Then I went in with my I went in with my wine color lipstick, and I smashed my lips. Then I'm going to use this my brush to blend the whole process, make everything smooth, natural, and all together give it that good look. So please kindly support me by subscribing to my channel, like this video and share it for more videos like this. I'll be bringing you on more makeup videos. So please stay glued to my channel. Thank you for watching.